And we're back with another video. Now if you've watched any of my previous videos, you would have seen I'm doing an NA+T build on my Fairmont, and there's a few last little bits and pieces to do before it gets tuned, and one of them is fit this ANTZ Performance catch can. So I've got the kit here laid out. So I've had a quick look over the car and sort of sussed it out. It looks pretty straightforward. This just mounts under the coolant reservoir with one bolt, one factory bolt, and you just got some -8 hose, a couple of hose separators, filter for the top obviously, and your fittings for your hose. Pretty straightforward. Now you get these two little fittings here. One of these is to replace your factory PCV valve. As you can see, it's all cleared out. There's no actual valve in there, so it just actually lets it breathe. So the PCV valve will breathe into the catch can, and also this one, which is your breather, which just goes onto the top of the rocker cover. So this breather here didn't come in the kit. I originally bought a set of these ready to go, and then I ended up buying this kit which came with the breather in it. And what I've got here is just a -8 cap. I just bought this on eBay, just so I can screw this onto the top of the fitting that goes onto the rocker cover, and then I've got something nice and flat to hit it on with. That's literally all that's for. Now I've just come over to the coil cover, and this fitting won't actually fit down inside this hole in the coil cover here. It actually fouls out. So if you ever want to take your coil cover off and you've smashed this down, you're going to have trouble. So I'm going to get a step drill bit and drill out this hole, so that way the fitting can clear the hole whenever you want to take the coil cover off. So I've got the two fittings here for the rocker cover. This one's the ANTZ one that's been in the freezer. And I'll just show you. So this is the one that hasn't. So sitting it on here, it binds up there and just need to bang it down. But the one that's been in the freezer almost slides all the way down. There we go. Gave that a few taps with the cap on, and now that's on there. And I've also just put that replacement fitting in with a PCV valve on. So now I'll drill out the coil cover, and then we'll work on actually getting the can itself mounted up the back there. So to put the can in itself, you're basically just using this factory bolt here from the coolant reservoir expansion tank, and the can just sits in this little corner here. So I'll work on getting that fitted, and then we'll come back. There we go, just started making up the lines, and I've just drilled out the coil cover with a step drill bit, and that fits perfectly. Also banged on the fitting, so that's all on. That went on beautifully actually. So now it's just finishing off the lines. Mounted up the can. It's nearly done. It's not really much to it, it's pretty straightforward. So I'll keep going and get it finished. And there it is, one ANTZ Performance Race Series catch can fitted. Now that was really straightforward to fit. You get everything with it, so you don't need to buy anything at all. Yeah, basically just went straight on, no issues whatsoever. Only thing I had to do, like I said, was drill out the coil cover, but I had a step drill bit, so that made that easy. As you can see there. So that's another job ticked off the list. It's booked in tomorrow for a tune. I spoke to the tuner and he said to get all these things on now before you take it for the tune, so that's what I'm doing. So ANTZ Performance catch can is now fitted. Pretty stoked. Fingers crossed it all works out tomorrow. We'll see how we go.